Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best kitchen scales on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Ozeri Pronto Digital Multifunction Kitchen Scale. This scale is an astonishing little powerhouse. It looks good on a countertop, is small and compact enough to be easily stored away in most cupboards or drawers, and has all the usual capabilities of scales at higher price points. Plus, it comes in a variety of fun colors to match any kitchen decor. Accurate, elegant, easy-to-use digital kitchen scale for your largest and smallest cooking projects. Weighs up to 11.24 pounds, 5,100 grams, with precise graduations of 0.05 ounces, 1 gram. Automatic unit button instantly converts between 5 units of measurements, gram, lbs, oz, ml, and displays results on an easy-to-read LCD screen. Precision tare button calculates the net weight of your ingredients by automatically subtracting the weight of any bowl or container. Features a newly enlarged weighing platform finished in elegant chrome, and 2 large buttons that generate an audible click confirmation. Cleans and stores easily. Dimensions: 8.25 into 1.75 into 6 inches, maximum capacity, 11.24 pounds. What we like. Comes in a wide variety of colors. Sturdy. Versatile. What we don't like. Measurement gradation maximum is 1 gram. Requires batteries. Number 2. Our second best pick is KitchenAid Sifter and Scale Attachment. KitchenAid to the rescue, again. This hands-free, automatic sifter attaches to your KitchenAid mixer's power hub for motorized operation. It sifts flour as the digital scale measures ingredients, and then it slowly adds them into the mixing bowl. This is an investment piece, but the service it provides makes it worth it. This also makes a great gift for anyone with carpal tunnel, tendinitis, or arthritis in their hands. The hopper holds up to 4 cups of dry ingredients, and the digital scale can be used separately on the countertop with its included plate. The digital scale, ingredient hopper, removable sifter, sifter housing, swivel chute, and scale accessory plate all fit neatly into the included storage case. All parts except the scale and sifter housing are dishwasher safe. Dimensions: 7.75 into 5 into 10.75 inches, maximum capacity, 4 cups. What we like. Durable. Has a built-in hopper for ingredients. Can be used separately on the countertop. What we don't like. Must own a KitchenAid mixer. Limited use in terms of ingredients. Capacity limited to 4 cups. Number 3. Our third best pick is Mackie Scientific NutriTrack Mini, the chef baking and kitchen scale. Tiny, adorable, and hard-working, this kitchen scale has a lot to brag about, including its slim profile that can fit into kitchen drawers. NutriTrack claims it's the thinnest scale on the market, and its shatterproof glass top that's easy to clean. It can measure up to 12 pounds and can do so even on an uneven surface thanks to what the company calls its precision quad sensor technology. This scale also stays on for 4 seconds between weighings and features a tare function and a low battery indicator. Plus, it has a convenient measurement conversion table printed right under its glass surface. The NutriTrack company is a part of Mackie Scientific in Seattle. Dimensions: 0.5 into 5.87 inches, maximum capacity, 12 pounds. What we like. Information-packed surface with quick measuring tips. 12-pound capacity. Sturdy for its size. What we don't like. Limited surface for use with loose ingredients. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Ozeri Touch Waterproof Digital Kitchen Scale. This kitchen scale from Ozeri, with its combination glossy matte finish, is waterproof, making it fully washable and submersible to make cleaning easy. Sensors provide weighing capacities from 0.1 ounces to 11 pounds and 7.4 ounces, 5,200 grams, in increments of 0.1 ounces or 1 gram. Its functions include a touch-sensitive tare button, another one that changes the unit of measurement, and a low battery indicator. Users also highlight the easy-to-read LED display and that the scale is extremely sensitive. Plus, it's compact and lightweight, weighing only 0.75 pounds. Dimensions: 7.9 into 7.9 into 1 inches, maximum capacity, 11 pounds 7.4 ounces. What we like: easy to read, compact, low battery indicator. What we don't like: pricey. Use of a large plate or bowl will hide display reading. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Zwilling Enfinigy Digital Kitchen Scale. With its sleek look and great functions, this digital kitchen scale can be set to measure in grams, kilograms, ounces, and pounds. It can handle up to 22 pounds of weight and is easily recalibrated with a tare button. It also recharges quickly, turns off automatically, and has an LCD lighting system for an easy-to-view display. Zwilling is a surprisingly old company, founded in 1731, but Enfinigy is a new electronics line that combines German engineering and modern design. This kitchen scale also includes a free Zwilling Culinary World app download so you can access a collection of original recipes. Dimensions: 9.60 into 7.40 into 0.80 inches, maximum capacity, 22 pounds. What we like: sleek design, perfect size, cleans and stores easily. What we don't like: must be charged before use, must be turned upside down to change the type of measurement. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.